Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about the AI beta. So we are going to understand how to invoke the AI beta assistant, and we are also going to talk about how you can, make use of it, because that's one of the important things when you have an artificial intelligence available for the courses you have taken. So we need to also understand about the advantage of using the artificial intelligence, right? So let's just go ahead from the beginning. So this is how you are going to access my videos. That this could be either WebSphere, or MQ, or Docker and Kubernetes. It could be any of those trainings which you have taken. I'm just giving an example of one training for that matter. So it could be of any other training which you have enrolled on Udemy. So all the trainings which you have enrolled have access to artificial intelligence. Now, it's not going to be specific about that specific training. It's going to be about generally you can use artificial intelligence for that matter. So I'm going to give you a quick introduction to it. So on the right side of your video, you're going to get this next video on the previous video. And you are also going to get the course content with AI assistant. Now, one disadvantage of using that is that you will not be able to use the expanded view, because when you click on the AI, it will go to the normal view. So if you expand it, you are going to go back to this. So I have already suggested Udemy to add AI as part of this one as well. So you get another tab over here, AI, so that you can quickly come down and type your question to AI, rather than just compromising on your view. Now, when you go back to the normal view, you're gonna get the course content on the right side, which is the general view. We have seen course content always here when you have not gone for expanded view. You're also going to get the AI assistant over here as a beta version over here, and this is like our AI assistant may make mistakes. So this is just terms and conditions which you need to apply, because you cannot 100% trust on AI at this moment, because even ChatGPT also has the same scenario. So even they say a disclaimer saying that their AI can also make mistakes. So AI is basically based on machine learning. So it basically understands my course, and then how I've designed my course, and then it gives you the the outputs based on that. Now, it also does, get you the data from outside my course as well. So it does learn outside my course as well. So which is quite useful, because if you want to know about a specific topic, much detail about it, for example, here in this topic, I'm talking more about patches, but I didn't tell you what's the use of a patch. So I'm in this video, installation of patch, but I never had a video about why patch is so important, or what is the benefits of patching. So I never discussed about it on my video. So if you talk about benefits of patching WebSphere, so I'm making a typo, so doesn't matter, AI will correct it. So even if you make typos, it doesn't matter, because it will basically understand what I'm talking about. So patching, WebSphere offers several significant benefits. So here, error resolution, security enhancement, performance improvement, compliance and support, and then feature addition and cumulative fix packs. Now, this is basically the topics I've just talked to you about, but then it has also got the explanation to each of these topics. So rather than waiting for my explanation, you can easily get the answers from the AI itself directly. And also you can, when you enroll for any of my courses, right, so you can see summary of my of this course. So this will immediately get you in 5 to 10 seconds. You're going to get the summary of this course, like what is the name of it, what range of topics it covers, and who is it is suitable for. These are all the records of my training. So if you go through my training, you're going to get all these action items as part of my training. So it's going to pick the best out of that, and it's going to display it for different use cases. So it also tells me this like approximately 23 hours, and the course range gets growing because I keep adding more topics and relevant topics to the training. So you can expect this to grow. And the high average rating is over here. So if you are looking out for another best training, so it's like best WebSphere training on Udemy. So you can talk about that as well. So you can talk about what is the best available so that you can look out for that training as well. So now, currently, my training is the best according to Udemy. So it basically has a comprehensive beginner and experienced user, and it gives you the topics which this course included. Likewise, you can talk about other things also. So can I integrate Docker with WebSphere? So now I'm asking a question, integration of Docker with WebSphere. So now this can also answer that. It is out of topic, though Docker is part of our course, but it also it talks about topics outside the discussion of WebSphere area. So you can completely talk about some other items as well. For example, like what's the advantage of Kubernetes? So now it's going to, I'm really sorry about the typo there, but yeah, I will figure it out. So you can see that Kubernetes offers several advantages, particularly in managing containerized applications. So it talks about completely something out of the topic, which is currently the course covering. So it also gives me the outputs of those as well. So what I'm going to say as a summary is that AI is going to change the way you learn. So the way you have any questions, you can directly ask to the AI, and you don't really have to wait for me to respond back on your questions. So your majority of the questions will be answered immediately in 5 to 10 seconds interval using the AI assistant which you have out there. Now, this assistant is going to be part of all my trainings. So whichever trainings you're going to be enrolled as part of this is going to be having AI as well enabled with it. So before you come to me as a question, you can always ask AI for a immediate response. If you're not clear with the response, you need more explanation, you can always come to me, or you can completely ignore AI and you can come to me with your question and answers. Now, do remember that irrespective of AI's existence or not, my support for you on all my trainings would always be there. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Thank you again for your time and patience. I will see you on another video.